Hell yes, I'm finally done painting. Getting ready to spray some primer. I've been sanding all day on this. Second time because it was too hot to spray and it rusted over. That's how much filler will be in that. Cleaned up nicely. Bare metal. Man, let me tell you what, this has to be the single best improvement I have made so far. This stuff laid down really nice. It came out way better than what I expected. I remember the repairs there. There's a couple spots I wish I would have fixed, but it's a driver car. Remember all the rust stuff that was going on there. This is primer. I can't imagine what the paint's gonna look like. I did end up with a little bit of trash right there. I'm gonna hit that with 320 and the whole surface with everything 600 before I paint it. Right here I sprayed a guide coat over top of the cowl panel. That's the only spot I want to be really level that I'm gonna bother blocking. Okay, I'm gonna be starting with 400. Definitely want to stay away from all the edges. Last thing I want to do is burn through this thing. This is a brand new piece of paper, so it's gonna be pretty sharp. All right guys, I got this scuff down. I want to show you a couple things on here real quick. It kind of has a gray finish now. I've been looking over it for deep scratches. It's got a nice fine grit. Whatever you do, don't use the red pad, use the gray. The red was much too deep. I switched quickly and went to the gray. But I'm looking for spots. One thing you'll see there, I got a spot I need to touch up. Went too deep on that edge, easy to do, and then here, easy to see where it's shiny, where I missed. So, all this preparation to hopefully not ruin it all at once in one day. I'm gonna spray, I'll be using Shopline products, base coat, clear coat, factory color, UA code. I bought a Iwata Kawami $200 spray gun. Good reviews on Paint Society. They're using the PPS system on it. Gotta be better than that. It's finally time. After all this work. One last look at it before there's runs on it. I got it well lit up. I don't want to blind anyone, but I take my word for it. There's lights everywhere. That's my new addition to Dexter's lab. Oh, the harness is out of the way. Should be pretty easy to get to everything. I've got 2 coats of base on it with 10-minute flash time in between the two. Wow, nothing's ever been shiny on this car. I may have to change the name from Turdbert. Ooh, it stinks in here. I've got a fly in here too. I'm gonna get that little sucker before I clear coat. Hell yes, I'm finally done painting. I have 3 coats of clear over 2 coats of black base. I'm very pleased. Has some orange peel in a few areas, but to be expected because it's super hot. It's 100 degrees today. The block sanding paid off, and it's not polished. You can see the trash in that. But what do you expect for a garage job, right? Here's a nice little close-up. Finally got the plastic down. For those of you that stayed this long, I really appreciate you. And this is for you. I'll share with you what we're going to talk about in the future. Oh yeah, all of you know what that is. Thanks for watching.